Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson we will learn the present perfect continuous tense. We will study its structure, uses and examples in a simple and easy way. Let's begin. First of all, what is the present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense describes an action that started in the past and is still continuing in the present or has recently stopped but its effects is still visible. For example, I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been cooking since morning. They have been playing football. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense with examples. 1. Positive sentences structure subject plus has, have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for. For example, she has been reading a book for 2 hours. They have been playing cricket since morning. I have been studying English for 3 years. Second, negative sentences structure subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for. For example, she has not been reading a book for 2 hours. They have not been playing cricket since morning. I have not been studying English for 3 years. 3. Interrogative sentences structure has, have plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for question mark. For example, has she been reading a book for 2 hours? Have they been playing cricket since morning? Have you been studying English for 3 years? 4. WH questions sentences structure. WH word plus has, have plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for question mark. For example, what have you been doing since morning? Where has he been working for the last 5 years? Why have they been waiting for so long? Remember, use since with a specific starting point: since 8 a.m., since Monday, since 2020. Uses for with a period of time: for 2 hours, for 3 days, for 5 years. Summary. What is the present perfect continuous tense and their structure with examples? Positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, WH question sentences. That's all for today's lesson on the present perfect continuous tense. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming English lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.